we are Natalie and Luna Carrot. Join the family. Hit that red subscribe button. And thank you for our friends Miss Toys for sending us this Wrapples. We're going to be showing you right now.
Wrapples, your very best friend.
When you pet us, we purr.
No.
Confetti!
Ooh, yellow. Let's look.
Alright guys, so we got Wrapples, your furry best friend. Pet me, I giggle and purr. My eyes light up with my mood. Slap band tail. Alright guys, and it's for ages 5+. This is so cool, kids. Look it. Their eyes light up to match their mood.
Pet us, we giggle and purr.
That is correct, Luna. Plus 50 sounds and reactions. We talk to each other. Oh my goodness. So this is so great to get them in pair, guys, because they're going to be talking to each other. We go to sleep when upside down from our friends Moose Toys.
Gracias, Miss Toys. Translation. Thank you.
Me, our
Wrapples.
This is Una.
And this is Kaya. There's a
Button
button behind the ear.
Here's where the battery goes.
It has a support strip, you guys, and it's so soft.
This is how the Wrapples look.
Here's the back.
Hi. Here's the back. And now we slap them in our hand. That's so soft.
This is so cool. Let's do it again.
Oh my god, this is so easy. Oh wait.
I love these Wrapples.
I know they're so soft. Mine is a rainbow, and look at, he's a rainbow Wrapple. The other got moods.
And right here is a motion sensor.
Mine laughed
Mud singing. Green means happy.
and yellow means calm.
Anxious is orange.
And red is mad.
They talk to each other if we
We
shake
shake
hands. Petting and sing. Singing, guys. When you pet him, he sings.
The faster you pet him, he will sing. Rap.
Oh, mine is happy right now. Let's see Luna's. He's red. I guess just pet him. Keep on petting him. He's
Rainbow.
changing colors. Mine is still green. He's happy. Is he rapping? You guys, when you shake them, they get a big
It's grumpy.
grumpy.
Mine is calm. We are loving our Wrapples, and they're so soft.
And it's so cool that you can take them on the go. Okay, guys, this is all for today. I hope you guys like it. And if you did, give us a big thumbs up. Even the Wrapples are saying
And guys, look. The Wrapple is great. The Wrapple's eating a Starbucks biscuit.
And make sure to hit that red subscribe button and that bell.